You ever just look up at the night sky and think, what's really out there? Like seriously. We stare at those tiny dots of light, but we have no idea how insane things get beyond what we can see. Space isn't just big, it's mind-breaking. It's full of things that sound like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie, except they're real. Alright, here's one to start. Did you know there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth? Every beach, every desert, every single grain, and the stars still outnumber them. That's roughly 200 billion trillion stars. It's like trying to imagine infinity. It just doesn't fit in your brain. And some of those stars? They're monsters. There's one called UY Scuti. If you replaced our sun with it, it would reach past Jupiter. Imagine looking up and seeing a fiery red ball covering half the sky. No sunrise, no sunset, just endless burning light. But here's where it gets crazier. There's a planet made entirely of diamonds. Not a chunk, not a layer, the whole thing. It's called 55 Cancri E, twice the size of Earth, and it's basically a sparkling world floating in the darkness. So yeah, somewhere out there in the universe, there's a literal diamond bigger than our planet. Now, get this. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. That means if you lived there, you'd have your birthday before you even finished your first day. You'd blow out your candles, go to bed, and you'd still be in the same day. Time just works differently out there. And speaking of time, it's not constant. Time actually slows down in space. If you were near a black hole, 1 hour for you could be 7 years for someone on Earth. That's not fiction. That's Einstein's relativity. So technically, you could travel to the future by orbiting the edge of a black hole. You'd just have to survive it first. Oh, and black holes aren't silent either. They sing. NASA picked up actual sound waves from a black hole. A deep, eerie hum echoing through space. The universe, literally, has a voice. The more you learn about space, the stranger it gets. Worlds made of diamonds, stars bigger than our imagination, and time itself bending like a rubber band. It's terrifying, but also kind of beautiful. Because every time we look up, we're not just seeing stars. We're seeing proof that the universe still has secrets we haven't even begun to understand. So next time you look at the night sky, remember, it's not just quiet up there. It's alive, ancient, and waiting for us to figure it out.